In this tutorial, we will point out different items on the Harvest Run screen that can be very helpful when harvesting or troubleshooting. It is important to know where all these items are located to be able to properly monitor harvest functionality and be able to quickly identify issues. With a harvest event loaded, the first thing to point out is the harvest tile on the top left side of the screen, where you can view many different stats such as dry bushels that displays the actual number of bushels at the specified dry moisture percentage, or wet bushels that shows the actual bushels that have been harvested for the current region. The wet weight shows the actual weight that has been harvested for the current region. The field's average shows bushels per acre that displays the field's average bushel per acre. And moisture that displays the instantaneous moisture when there is grain flow and the average when there is no grain flow, along with the elevator's RPMs, all by swiping through the tabs. On the bottom left side is the calibration tile. A weight calibration can be completed at any time during the season, but it is recommended to be completed at the beginning of the season. It allows you to see high and low yield trends in the field. A moisture calibration only needs to be done once per crop per season. Changing this calibration will affect all previously harvested data. On the bottom right side is the counter toolbox, where resettable counters will automatically tally harvested crop anytime grain flow is seen. Counters keep tallies based on crop type and will hold count through new events, fields, and product changes. Counters will also display wet weight bushels or pounds based on active crop types. Tap on the counter to reset to 0. Now you'll be able to successfully operate the Harvest Run screen on the InCommand Go displays. For more information on the setup and settings, please refer to the Operator's Manual on the Ag Leader Knowledgebase. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.